Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Anua Heartleaf Centella Red Spot Cream. This product retails for $20. Very excited for this new launch from Anua. It's looking like a redness and acne soothing spot treatment. Not something with active ingredients to treat acne, but it is a moisturizing cream that's supposed to soothe really irritated areas. I'm excited for this because I've liked some products like this in the past. Depends on how I prefer to use it. Some of these creams I can use as an all-over moisturizer. Sometimes I just like using it in spots that I am irritated or dealing with redness. So I'm really excited to see how I can use it, how I prefer to use it, and how it performs. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. They use 4 types of ceramides, Panthenol, and Sorbitol in this formula. To check out the full ingredient list, you can click the link in the description and go to their website. Also left the full ingredients in the description as well. The things I'm going to be looking for include, how does this product perform? Do I feel like it's best used as a spot treatment, or can I use it as an all-over cream? I also want to see what results I notice with this product, because I'm expecting it to show some more instant benefits since it is a redness correcting cream. As for anything else, I'm continuing to check in. So I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in and also my first impression with this spot treatment. I am going to try using this as a night cream in terms of all over my face. During the day, I don't feel like I need this heavy of a product, at least from the spot test that I did. It is very comparable to Prequel's Ectoin cream from what I'm noticing so far. Kind of has a ointment style feel to it. Blends into the skin and gives this nice dewy hydrated look, but it's nothing too crazy heavy. I just think for the daytime it may be too much for all over my face. Tonight I'm going to try using it as just an all over cream, because one thing I want to test with it is if it works for my acne prone skin. They say it's non-comedogenic. I don't like that terminology, but I'm first going to start using it just on my really dry and irritated areas. Now between this and the Prequel, it is almost spot on texture comparison, but ingredients are obviously different. I'm liking the way this feels because it kind of just blends into the skin and doesn't really give much extra nourishment, but it is definitely providing an instant soothing benefit. I've been getting really dry around my neck area from where I've been shaving, and I think I'm gonna go in with this all over there first. I can definitely tell it's a thicker feel, definitely a thicker finish. In terms of moisturizers, it's definitely more of like a concentrated moisturizer, I would say, but I am going to try to use it all over my face, just see which way I personally prefer using it. So I'll see you all in the next check-in. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this treatment. It was a really concentrated, beautiful, lightweight, Vaseline style feeling formula. It doesn't have petrolatum in it. That is just a comparison of what the texture was to me. I am going to be comparing this product roughly to the Prequel Ectoin Reactive Skin Solutions cream, because those products are very similar. They target the same skin concern but have different ingredients and obviously a different formula attached to it. This one I found was a little bit more lightweight and blended into the skin a little bit better than the Prequel. However, I like the ingredients in the Prequel better for soothing, and I saw some better results with that product. Ultimately, they're both around the same price point. They just have different ingredients in them. I would still recommend this product. Ultimately, it just depends on which product is more budget friendly for which one I would recommend going for. And it also comes down to trying both of these products and seeing which one works better for your skin. I felt like the Heartleaf was a good addition to this formula, along with the Centella, the Cica, the soothing complex that they have in here, and it worked well to correct some of my dryness, some of my redness. Kind of took some of that out, not instantly, but it did work better the more consistent I would remain with it. I feel like the Prequel showed more instant benefits, while this one was more over time. It got better, and that's why I do lean more towards the Prequel. I also love the ingredients that they included in their formula. I feel like it's a little bit better for my skin, at least. That just comes from knowing my skin. This is more of a simple formula, but yet it has some hard-hitting ingredients in it that I feel like would make it the perfect treatment cream. You can either use this in spots or as an all-over moisturizer. I did feel like it was a little bit rich rich to use as an all-over moisturizer during the day. It is warm outside at the moment. My skin is a lot more oily than it typically is, and so I feel like that's the reason for that. I did love using this in my drier areas throughout both day and night. At night though, it was a beautiful restorative night cream that I feel like left me waking up with a lot less red skin. It did, like I said, work better the longer that I used it, so definitely remain consistent with this product if you're not seeing those instant benefits, because I didn't see those with this product. That's one reason why I really liked the prequel. The benefits that it started with, the benefits that it continued to get after using it for the same period that I used this, made it a little bit better of a formula in my opinion, just for my skin. They are both around the same price point though, and that's what I like about having both of these options. Kind of gives you two different formulas to choose from depending on what works best for your skin. The prequel is personally what works best for me ingredient list wise and also formulation wise, but this is still a good option. I'm definitely going to use this up, but when it comes to repurchasing, I'm definitely going to just go for the prequel because it works better for my skin and showed some better results. I would recommend looking over the ingredients if you do know your skin and know the ingredients that you're sensitive to. Neither of these products caused acne. I was glad that this did work for my acne prone skin. I also felt like it helped take down some of the redness that I was experiencing in all areas of my face, specifically at night after being outside for a really long time. I just saw some better benefits with the prequel, and so that is going to be what I go for in terms of repurchasing. I do like that you have two different options with various different ingredients in each formula that kind of highlight each unique one. I feel like it opens up the wide range of different skincare products that may work for you. If the prequel doesn't work for you, then I would recommend going for this one, or if this one doesn't work for you, maybe try out the prequel. It's hard to compare the two because they are different formulas. I just know what works best for my skin, and that's where this review is coming from. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.